In this video, we are going to perform Pandas indexing. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, search for Pandas index. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the top result as it matches our query. Now, this use case requires Pandas library to function. So before going ahead, make sure that you have this library. If not, get it from kandi. The dependent library is available right above the code. You can copy the install script in one click. Now let's get back to our code. Copy the code in a single click from here. Go to the IDE and paste the code. Now let's take a look at the code before proceeding. This line of the code is to import Pandas library. This part of the code is to create a list of lists called data. This part of the code creates a Pandas data frame. And this part of the code finds the index of the row with the maximum value in the volume column. Let's run the code now. And you have successfully performed Pandas indexing.